Ever wondered what simple phrases you can use to describe your morning? Today, we're breaking down real routines and easy English you can use right away.
And you're about to hear the exact words we use every single day. I'm Anna, joining Ollie for another episode of Easy English Conversations.
You'll get the key phrases for daily routines, plus tips on using them naturally and a chance to practice along with us.
We'll go from waking up to breakfast, work, or study, then what we do in the evening and before bed. Ready to start? Let's jump right in.
So Anna, tell me, what's the very first thing you do every morning?
I always start by waking up at 7 a.m. That alarm is my best friend and worst enemy. What about you?
Right after I wake up, I brush my teeth. It wakes me up more than coffee, honestly.
Brushing my teeth is a must for me too. And then I make my bed so it looks tidy. Even if I'm still half asleep, I do it every time.
That's the trick. Just a small habit makes the morning feel organized. So, listeners, try saying, I brush my teeth, then I make my bed.
And making your bed just means pulling up the sheets and straightening the blanket. Easy, right?
After I'm organized, it's breakfast time. I keep it simple, maybe toast or a banana if I'm in a rush.
Breakfast is often fast for me too. I'll grab a banana or sometimes just a slice of bread. It gives me energy to start the day.
So you can say, I eat a quick breakfast, or my breakfast is a banana. Practice those phrases when you talk about your mornings.
And here's a challenge. What do you eat for breakfast? Try to answer in English right now, even if it's just in your head.
Moving into the day after breakfast, I head off to work. But on days off, I study English at home to keep learning.
That's a good mix. For me, it's usually checking my emails and drinking coffee before I really start working. Those two things help me focus.
So listeners, go to work, study English, check emails, and drink coffee. All great phrases for your daily routine vocabulary.
Sometimes I even write a to-do list while sipping my coffee. It helps make the rest of the day smoother.
After a busy day, how do your evenings usually go, Anna?
I like to cook dinner at home. It's my way of relaxing and it smells so good. After that, sometimes I'll watch TV or read a book.
Same here. I'll watch something funny or grab a book before bed. It's my quiet time after a long day.
So everyone, you can try saying, I cook dinner, I watch TV, or I read a book, and then the final step going to bed.
Let's do a quick review. We talked about waking up, brushing teeth, making the bed, eating breakfast, going to work, studying English, checking emails, drinking coffee, cooking dinner, watching TV, reading a book, and going to bed.
If you practice these phrases, describing your day in English will get a lot easier. Try saying each one out loud or write your whole routine in a few sentences.
And if you get stuck, just listen back to this episode and repeat with us. Practice really helps.
Actually, let's each share our favorite phrase from today. Mine is, make my bed simple, but it starts the day right.
For me, it's read a book before I sleep. It's a small habit, but it helps me relax every night. Okay, before we wrap up, let's highlight 3 things. First, using simple phrases lets you talk about your day confidently.
Second, small routines like making your bed or eating breakfast are great ways to practice new vocabulary.
Third, repeating and using these phrases in real conversation helps your English sound natural and clear.
Here's your action step. Pick 3 phrases from today and use them to describe your morning in English to a friend or write them in a notebook.
You're making awesome progress. Thanks for joining us on Easy English Conversations.
Keep practicing, share your routines in the comments, and come back next time for more easy English. Bye!